how to play games on Temu app. If you didn't know, Temu offers you a lot of games that allows you to get a chance to win free gifts or even discounted gifts. So I'm going to show you how you can play those games. So first of all, you need the Temu app on your phone. You can download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store and just open the app and make sure you log in after you open the app. Then you're just gonna search for Farmland here, and once you search for it, it will open you a layout where you can play the game. So first you can spin a wheel for reward. I've already done that. As you can see, the first step is complete right now. I'm on step 2, and from here you can choose any gift you want. So for example, I'm just gonna pick 2 gifts right here. As you can see, I can get this drone for 100% off. I can even pick out another watch or anything from this list. So let's say I'll pick up these earbuds. And now the last step is to confirm your reward. Just tap on confirm. And as you can see, I've won these 2 things for free. And in total, I've saved $30. And the shipping is free as well. So you can also play games like these ones and open a coupon pack. So after you do this, here are some other extra steps that you can do to upgrade in the game. And once you have done all of that, you can just confirm your shipping address from here, and Temu will be able to deliver it to your address. And that's how you can play games on Temu app to win free goodies and other stuffs and get discounts. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.